Apple just introduced its breakthrough multimodal Model 1, or MM1 for short, which is a cutting-edge AI system that can analyze and interpret both text, visual data, and more. And that's just the beginning, as the revolutionary MM1 architecture is based on large language models, but was trained on a meticulously curated dataset comprising 45% image-text pairs, 45% interleaved image-text documents, and 10% text-only data. This diverse training regimen has endowed MM1 with cutting-edge capabilities, including descriptive image captioning, complex question answering, and even basic mathematical reasoning. Furthermore, Apple's researchers also conducted extensive investigations to pinpoint the key factors influencing MM1's performance. Their findings highlight the pivotal roles played by high image resolution, the power of the visual encoder component responsible for converting image data into machine-readable formats, and the sheer volume of training data employed. Remarkably, the nature of the link between image and text data was found to be less critical than anticipated, with the study highlighting the importance of striking an optimal balance between various data types during the training process. But while image-text pairs and interleaved image-text documents were essential for achieving robust few-shot learning performance, image-text pairs took precedence when MM1 was tasked with generating outputs without accompanying examples. Boasting an impressive 30 billion parameters and leveraging advanced mixture of experts techniques that orchestrate multiple specialized AI models, MM1 has attained state-of-the-art results. In fact, it even outperforms most published models in few-shot image captioning and visual question-answering tasks. Moreover, MM1 excels in intricate multi-image reasoning scenarios, adeptly combining information from multiple visual sources to answer complex queries or draw inferences that defy extraction from singular images. This remarkable capability could empower MM1 to comprehend and interpret the real world in a manner akin to human perception and reasoning. Plus, after undergoing further refinement through supervised fine-tuning on meticulously selected data, MM1 delivered competitive results across 12 established benchmarks. This positions MM1, or a scaled-up variant of it, as a potential rival to trailblazers like GPT-4v and Google Gemini in the imminent future. But there's a twist, because Apple's foray into the multimodal AI arena with MM1 represents a shift as AI systems grow increasingly adept at seamlessly integrating and interpreting diverse data modalities. They inch closer to replicating the multifaceted cognitive capacities of the human mind. And the implications of MM1 are far-reaching, with potential applications spanning countless domains, from content creation and analysis to education, healthcare, and beyond. And while MM1's performance is undoubtedly remarkable, concerns have been raised about the potential risks associated with such powerful AI systems. Critics argue that the rapid advancement of AI, if left unchecked, could lead to unintended consequences, including job displacement, privacy violations, and even existential threats if these systems were to become misaligned with human values. So to address these potential concerns, Apple has stated its commitment to developing MM1 and future AI technologies responsibly and ethically. To this end, the company pledges to implement robust safeguards, including rigorous testing, third-party audits, and transparent communication about the capabilities and limitations of its AI offerings. Moreover, Apple has reiterated its stance on privacy protection, asserting that MM1 and its underlying technology will be designed with privacy measures in place. User data will be encrypted and anonymized, and the system will operate within clearly defined boundaries to prevent misuse or unintended consequences. Beyond these ethical considerations, the advent of MM1 has reignited discussions about the societal impact of AI. While some people view these advancements as a paradigm shift for human productivity and innovation, others caution against an over-reliance on AI that could stifle independent human creativity and critical thinking. Proponents argue that AI systems like MM1 will augment human capabilities, freeing us from mundane tasks and enabling us to focus on higher-order cognitive functions. They envision a future where humans and AI work in harmony, with machines handling data processing and analysis, while humans provide strategic guidance and leverage their uniquely human traits such as empathy, emotional intelligence, and creative problem-solving. No matter one's stance, it's clear that Apple's new MM1 model is pushing the envelope of AI development. But there's another recent breakthrough that has the tech industry buzzing, as a team of researchers have just transformed the software industry forever with the unveiling of Devin, the world's first fully autonomous artificial intelligence software engineer. And while this technological leap is redefining how software is developed, its implications extend far beyond just coding. In fact, Devin is a tireless and highly skilled AI teammate who is equally capable of collaborating alongside human engineers or independently executing complex tasks for subsequent review. By leveraging Devin's capabilities, software teams can redirect their focus toward more intricate challenges and ambitious goals, ushering in a new era of accelerated innovation. At the core of Devin's operation lies its ability to plan and execute multifaceted engineering tasks requiring thousands of interconnected decisions. Powered by cutting-edge advancements in long-term reasoning and planning, Devin can seamlessly recall relevant context, continually learn and adapt, and even rectify its own mistakes along the way. But Devin's capabilities extend far beyond this, as it has been meticulously equipped with a comprehensive suite of developer tools, including a shell, code editor, and browser, all housed within a secure, sandboxed compute environment, which effectively replicates the complete toolkit available to human software engineers. And perhaps most remarkably, Devin also possesses the ability to actively collaborate with its human counterparts by providing real-time progress reports, accepting feedback, and engaging in design discussions. But Devin's versatility is what's most impressive. It can quickly learn and leverage unfamiliar technologies, build and deploy applications from scratch, autonomously identify and resolve bugs in complex codebases, and even train and fine-tune its own AI models, all with minimal human intervention. And in a series of impressive demonstrations, Devin has showcased its capabilities across a diverse range of tasks. From generating interactive websites that simulate the game of life to contributing to mature open-source repositories like SimPy, Devin has thoroughly proven its value. But the true test of Devin's prowess came when it was evaluated on SWE Bench, a rigorous benchmark that challenges AI agents to resolve real-world GitHub issues found in popular open-source projects like Django and scikit-learn. Devin's performance was nothing short of remarkable, correctly resolving 13.86% of the issues end-to-end, which is a staggering leap from the previous state-of-the-art of just 1.96%. Even in scenarios where Devin was provided with the exact files to edit, its success rate surpassed the best previous models, which could only resolve 4.8% of issues under such conditions. Devin could unleash a wave of productivity and innovation that propels the industry to new heights.